Welcome to this video on data connections with Tableau Online. Tableau Online is a hosted version of Tableau Server. Since Tableau Online is in the cloud, it treats data sources differently depending on if they're in the cloud or on premises. If data is hosted in the cloud, it can be connected to live. Here I have a connection to Google BigQuery. It's live, as we can see from the single cylinder icon. If I go to the Server menu and publish the data source and choose Google BigQuery, here I have some options. I can change the password to be embedded and click Publish. I'm brought to the browser with the published data source. Easy! However, if we don't want to connect live, we have the option to publish an extract for hosted data as well. I'll right-click and select Publish to Server. Because this connection isn't live, we want to set a refresh schedule. Under Authentication, I'll verify that refreshes are allowed. This embeds the credentials so that Tableau Online can access the data source to pull new data on the refresh schedule. Now when I click Publish, when the browser comes up, the dialog offers the option to set the schedule. I'll choose when to refresh, and there we have it. Some data sources, like Salesforce and Google Analytics, are not hosted in the cloud. They're web applications. When using data from web apps, we're forced to extract when we connect. We can publish these extracts to Tableau Online. We'll go to the Server menu, Publish Data Source, and choose Google Analytics. Just like before, I'll verify that a refresh is allowed and publish, allow access to Google, and set the schedule for the refresh. We can modify this extract schedule or create a new one at any time by coming back to the Refresh Schedule tab for the data source. Finally, some of our data might be behind our own firewalls. I'll publish this Excel file. On-premises data cannot be published live because Tableau Online cannot connect directly to the data source. An extract was automatically taken for me, and here I need to set a refresh schedule. The extract refresh process is slightly different in this case, as I'll need to use the sync client. First, I'll set where the sync client will start. I'll use my own computer since that's where the data source is. Next, I'll set the schedule itself. Now the sync client is set up to handle that on-premises, extracted data refresh. For more information on the sync client, including how to decide which computer it should run on and why, check out the online help. Thank you for watching this Data Connections with Tableau Online training video. We invite you to continue with the free training to learn more about using Tableau.